Look at this. Temperature outside is high. We're out in the desert. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, we haven't been here for the past 2 years, and when we were here, it was falling apart. So
Yes.
we just decided to stop by and see how it's going. See if it's
We'll see
fa-
if it's still up or it's completely destroyed. But we're gonna go and check it out and show you guys. Right now, let me show you the welcome sign.
ta-da! There
There,
it is.
there's the welcome sign. Let's go and walk over there and see what that's all about. You can see it from here on yonder.
Okay, we're walking up to this little what do you call it?
Well,
Poster,
yes, an
billboard
information board.
of the person that started all this.
Yeah, this guy here, this man right here on the picture, he built this by himself, the Salvation Mountain. And we're gonna show it to you guys. What one person can do. A person can make a difference.
I don't remember his name. Trying to look for it here, but
Oh,
it doesn't say.
what was his name? I forgot his name.
Oh, it's right here. Leonard C. Knight.
Oh yeah.
He died in 2014.
Yeah, actually we started coming like a year after he passed away,
Yeah.
somewhere around there. That the whole mountain was very nice. Now this is we used to drive all the way up here. Now they designated like a parking space or spot to for people to park.
Yeah, there's a lot of Bible verses. So to me, it makes me think that he was very
Religious,
religious.
which is good.
That's what God is love. Yeah, because like I said, he was kind of got late in life. Well, one day he had seen a hot air balloon up in the air, and it's a Budweiser, and everybody's seen it. Oh, so he thought, well, if I could get my message on that, everybody would be able to see it.
Mm-hmm.
But he couldn't afford one, so he proceeded to get hot air balloon material and hand sew one for 15 years. He hand stitched. Well, it wasn't big enough, so he started cement and sand right here. He did it right in that spot right there. After 3 years of working on it, he had woke up and it had fallen down.
Oh,
My goodness.
If you look at it, it looks just like that.
Yeah.
Just like that shape right
Yeah.
there. So he didn't even skip a beat. He just went over it with adobe clay and paint and
So you're volunteering to take care of the place or what?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I came out from Texas to come work
From
on
Texas?
it. Yeah.
You're a long way from home.
Yeah.
Are you
I
living
hope
here
you
or what?
didn't. I hope you didn't. Did you come on the bike?
No, I walked.
Oh, wow.
I got this after I got here.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
I'm tired of walking around.
Yeah.
so you've been here for a while?
Just over a year and a half.
So I see paint all over your hands. Is that you're doing something over there?
Yeah, I'm working on the base of the cross up there on the top.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
On the whole back
Uh-huh.
side of it.
Oh, that's cool. At least somebody's taking care of it.
Yeah. The first time we came here, we went inside of that corner one.
Yeah, it was
It was
open. So that was
nice.
quite a while ago when we came the first
Yeah,
time.
that was like probably a year after that he passed.
And then the inside of that one, the little igloo started caving in on the.
Oh, that one too? Oh.
Yeah, it started caving in, so we got a support in there, so it won't go any further.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad
Thank
you
you
guys are
for-
taking care of it.
Yeah. And
Because that way it can be here for probably generations to come,
yeah.
Sure.
right?
And I like the messages. Every time I come, I like to read the verses
Yeah.
because it makes me feel good. Like sometimes I could be going through something, and just by looking at it, it just makes me feel good. Like, okay, God's talking to me.
And if you look down low, like even on the drive shaft on these trucks, you'll see
Really?
verses everywhere.
Oh man, I never looked under there. We're gonna check it out.
Look
Okay.
under there. Yeah, you'll be surprised.
Oh,
Wow.
we're gonna check it out. Okay, thank you, appreciate it. So this is the house car that Leonard used to live in when he was alive, of course. And there's a lot of God verses all over the place, even on the bottom. The person taking care of it today told us, and I can see it. You know, I'm glad that somebody's taking care of it, that it's not falling apart. That way it's here for a while. Just imagine living on a car like this out here in the desert. Not a lot of people can handle this. Would you be able to live like that?
I don't know. As much as I love the heat, I don't know.
Especially when it's 100 and what, 13?
Yeah, 115.
Well, 115 degrees out here. It's hot, but it's not like humid hot. It's a dry heat, which is more bearable. At least I can bear it more than when it's humid. Okay, let's walk around.
Yeah, let's see how long this phone could last because it's overheating.
Yeah, it's overheating. It turned off, so I gotta be like starting the video again after it stops. And I can feel my phone is very hot. Look what we have here. Noah's Ark. Another beautiful display. I think it's like way more impressive when you see it in person. Here we have a car with a lot of what do you call it, Sally?
Versus,
Yeah, Bible verses.
keep it simple.
It takes a lot to do this, especially if you're just one man show. It takes a lot. Being out here in the desert, doing this by yourself, I mean, to bring the water to do all this, it's not easy. Let's continue. I think this video is going to be a little bit short because it's very hot out here. We wish we can stay here longer, but the heat, 115, it's bearable, but it's not safe. If you can handle it, more power to you. See, before we went somewhere, we were used to go in there. Now everything's closed.
So when he built the air balloon, he used this as a balloon inflator. So in 1984, while working as a mechanic in Nebraska, Leonard built this trailer into an inflator. He built a wood burning furnace backed by a large fan assembly. The fan ran by belt and pulley from a gas-powered motor. There is a large ring where the balloon would be attached and large storage area for the balloon to be kept.
That is cool, huh? Look at that. Don't go in there. It says there's rattlesnakes in there. I don't want to go in there.
That one section right here that's falling apart, we were able to go inside. It was very nice in there.
We have pictures. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in there so you guys can see how it used to look in there. Okay, so I'm going to go and walk over there. The person on the front told us that we're able to walk over there on the yellow road. So I'm going to take a walk. Hopefully the phone doesn't turn off because it's turning off.
So right here, he's
Okay,
gonna walk
we
up
have
the stairs.
a lot of steps here. It feels like it's melting. It's so hot here that feels like the paint is melting.
Say a prayer up there since you're up there higher.
Okay. Yeah, the paint is kind of soft. It feels smooshy. Look where I am. Whew. It's a little bit tiring. Okay, so I'm getting exhausted. I'm not in shape, but it's also very hot. I'm gonna walk up to the cross. I'm going up higher. This is nice right here. Okay, so I'm out of shape, but also it's pretty hot. Look at behind me. It says God is love right there. It says God is right under me. It says love. All right, I'm gonna continue all the way to the top. I think I can make it all the way to the cross. Look at here. Wow, it's beautiful. It looks so nice from up here. See the cross behind me? Nice. I'm almost there. I'll make it. Okay, so I think this is as far as I can get, as close to the cross as I can. Right here, where it says God. I'm gonna walk right here. I think she wants me to. She wants to take a picture of me. Okay, so this is Salvation Mountain again. When I was up by the cross, my phone overheated, so I had to stop recording. The person that was right here at the entrance is behind the cross painting. He's keeping it up, maintaining the place.
Yeah, so when you guys come down to Salvation Mountain, don't forget to leave your donation. And there it is.
The donation box right here. All right, so we're under a shade right now. Unfortunately, the phone got too hot. It's very hot for, it's too hot, so the phone can't handle it. So I had to stop recording when I was up by the cross. Anything to say?
Yeah, so whenever you guys come down, Salton Sea or going towards, Yuma, or take the side road, the 111, the old Highway 111, and stop here at the Salton Sea. Man, I forgot the name of this town.
Yeah, me too. Just Google Salvation Mountain on the Google Maps. Google it, and it will bring you guys here. Again, it's a short video because of the heat.
Yeah.
The phone is not able to handle the heat. So do we. No, we can handle it, but not that long. You gotta keep drinking water.
Our phone cannot handle it
Yeah.
as much as we can.
Yeah, it's more sensitive to heat than us.
So up ahead, we're gonna show you another sign that it's new because I've never seen it before.
Yeah, it's new.
So it's East Jesus, and that's another interesting little place. So we'll show you in the next video.